Good morning. Well, today was weigh-in Wednesday. I weighed exactly 1 week ago. 1 week ago. Did I go up or did I go down? What do you guys think? Well, I'm gonna tell you, I went down. Oh my God, 3.2 pounds I lost since last Wednesday. So it is working. So excited. Oh my God, I can't believe it. So guess what? Keeps me wanting to be on track and behave, right? So that's what I'm doing. I am continuing. I am definitely logging all of my food on Weight Watchers, and I am being aware of what I am eating. I am so excited. Anyway, with stating that, I wanted to also, I'm really excited. Miss Barrett had brought me over a makeup palette, and it's from Sigma. And let me tell you what, I have it on. I don't know if you can see or not. I love it. Absolutely love it. It is so creamy, so soft. It goes on so smooth. It's amazing. I'm not going to use anything else but this. The colors are absolutely fantastic. Do you guys see that? Oh my gosh. I love, love, love this palette. She knows that I am definitely the mauve girl. Been wearing those colors, mauves and pinks and browns, since we've been in high school. So I absolutely love that palette. Big shout out. Thank you, Miss Barrett. And that was kind of fun doing that this morning. Anyway, you know, when you get over 50, it's a chore, kinda. Does anyone agree with me? You know, it takes you forever to get ready for bed. You gotta wash the makeup off, then you gotta wash your face, then you gotta put on moisturizer, and then you gotta put on lotion on your body, on my hands. It's just like, it's a whole routine. So the older I get, the more it's like, what the heck? So, you know, when I was younger and a teenager, I wore my makeup forever. Shh, don't tell nobody. But anyway, nowadays, let me tell you, it takes longer to get ready and it takes longer to go to bed. So with stating that, it's okay. If anybody has any helpful tips out there for the over 55 skin, let me know. I would appreciate it. I would love to use some products that will help that moisture stay on my face and my neck. My neck is what's really getting it. Ooh. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick little hey. I'm so excited. Down 3.2, down 3.2. Cannot say it enough. Oh my gosh. So remember, I have not done Weight Watchers in a long time, and I've not had the motivation. I keep trying. I would fail. I would call Barrett, be like, oh my God. I mean, like, I'm trying, and what do? I drive through and get ice cream. Or I grab a candy bar at work. Did I grab one? Nope, I grabbed two. So, I mean, it's just crazy stuff like that. But I'm in the mindset. I am ready to do this. I want to be getting healthier. Breathing, diabetes, high blood pressure. All these things is what I'm trying to avoid. So I'm on the right track. Yay. I cannot tell you how excited I am. So you guys, let me know what you think about the makeup, and let me know if anyone has any moisturizers that they are using that they absolutely love for us older gals. So I hope everybody has a great day. Take care. Mwah! Talk to you soon. Bye.